everyone, so welcome back to another unboxing video. Now this unboxing video is for MissMusclebox. I actually recorded this the other day and I realized that it didn't even record, so now it's late. Now I finally was able to record it today. I'm going to show you what I got. It's not as nicely packaged as it was because I thought that I had recorded it, but I got these leggings and they are black and they're full-length scrunch leggings. So they have the scrunch on the back, so in the buttocks area they have this scrunch, and I really like that detail because it's gonna make your butt look nice. So yeah, it says they are full length, so I'm really excited that I got these, and they're color black, which I love everything black. The thing I got is this W&E hand cream made with organic ingredients. So as you all know, we have been using a lot of hand sanitizer, so now I've been using a lot of hand cream because my hands get really dry with the hand sanitizers. So I really like that I got a hand cream. And then I also got some snacks. So they are healthy snacks. So these are the skinny dipped almonds, and I got two. One is dark chocolate cocoa and the other one is dark chocolate peanut butter. I believe I've tried these before, but they are just chocolate coated almonds basically, but one is peanut butter, the other one's dark chocolate, so I'm pretty sure they're both delicious. And then I got this no-cal protein bar lemon meringue pie. I don't even know if I said that word right, but yeah, it's lemon flavored. I don't know about that because I don't like anything lemon flavored, like lemon pie, lemon cake. I don't like none of that, so I don't know if this bar is gonna be good. I'm not gonna judge it yet until I taste it, so we'll see how this one tastes and see how I like it. And last thing, this box comes with a little book on workout. It gives you this one is about Tabata, so it gives you what's it good, it gives you information on what it's good for, what is Tabata workout, and then it gives you a little workout that you can do. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my muscle box, and I really enjoyed this box because I want to start getting more healthy and exercise more. So yeah, that's everything for today's unboxing video, and thank you all for watching. Bye.